today we're going to be propagating this elephant ear so that we can put it in the yard because it is growing too big. So this is the process that we're going to do today. It's real strong. The root's real strong on that one. So we're going to be transplanting this to this spot right here. Well, that plum bush, we thought that it would actually work, but it wasn't making it. So we're just going to put those elephant ears that we just had, that you just saw, in its place. We're putting this in this spot because the water runs down from up at the top of the yard down this way, so that's why it's right here, because we know that these types of plants love moisture. So we're just gonna go ahead and do the other one, and I'll catch you on the other side of the yard. This is where we had a mango tree, and it was so much water that was running down this way, so it pretty much drowned it. So we're just going to use this same spot from where that tree was to put this here. So Maybe we'll give the mango tree another try in the future, but right now this is what we're doing. So that was the other side right here. You see right there, that's where the other one was. And let me correct myself, because I said it was a mango tree. It was actually a pomegranate tree that was right here. So that's what we're putting right here in the place of that. So we're going to have elephant ears on each side of the garden, which we think is going to be very aesthetically pleasing. Right here we're just using a little bit of blood meal and then a little bit of bone meal as well. So we have the second one in the ground. So this is how it all looks. As you see, my husband is on the other side of the garden. He's giving that one a little bit of watering, and then we have this one right here that's a little bit closer. And then of course you see my hammock. This is where I'll be hanging out. Now right over here to the left, right here, that's a muscadine vine, so we're waiting to see how that is gonna do. But for the most part, all of this is the garden. And then these are the elephant ears that we have on each side of the garden. So if you've enjoyed this video, make sure you leave us a thumbs up, and make sure you share this video if someone you know may be interested in backyard gardening, or just interested in seeing us hanging out in the backyard. If you have any tips or tricks on what we should have did or how we could have done this a little bit better, leave them down in the comments below, and we will catch you in the next video.